everyone. So this is it. This is the launch. I'm up. I'm running. I've looked at the page. I can see it. I can see what you're going to see. I've made a little welcoming video. And so go check it out. There's no obligation. You can just look, read the different things, see what you think. This is one of a couple different things that I'm exploring right now. But I just need to say that I'm really new to all of this. And when I was filling out all the information that they need and trying to design my page and write all the copy, there were things that I had no idea what they even meant. So I had to do a lot of research. And one of the things that if you're a member, and those of you who know about this site know all this, but I honestly, I knew nothing about this site and had never gone onto it until 3 days ago. So I am really trying to just figure things out as I go here. But one of the things that they talk about is this thing called Discord. And Discord is from what I can see, it's essentially a chat room. So that's available. And then there's live streaming, which I figured, okay, live streaming, you're doing it live, it's in real time. But I wasn't quite clear on why, what was the difference between this, what I'm doing here, I mean, other than the fact that it's live. But evidently, so the big plus of live streaming is that those of you who are watching in real time are able to also chat. So I'm not sure how I'm going to do that, video and read chats and respond all at once, but people talk about assistants. I don't have an assistant. I don't even have someone who cleans. So I have a webcam and I'm going to set that up. My friend, Pat Pauly, whose work is right there. That print, this one here. Wait, this one that I'm pointing at? That's Pat's work. And all of this is what I learned in a Pat Pauly workshop. She's amazing. She does all these Zoom workshops. And so she was telling me about webcams also. No idea. So if you are sitting here and you're thinking, oh my gosh, I have no idea what any of this is. I don't even know what she's talking about. It's okay. I didn't either, but I'm learning. I know enough about advertising. You're supposed to do a whole pitch here. I'm not doing a very good pitch. I'm just telling you honestly what's been going on. I'm really excited. So check it out. And if it's not for you, no problem. Don't worry at all. The next thing on my list after I do finish editing and shooting all the video for my next design and writing the instructions for that, my next big project is to set up a Zoom workshop. 6 months ago, if you had told me I was going to be doing all of this, I would have laughed and said, there's no way. I mean, I am technologically phobic, basically. My computer freezes and I'm in a panic. So, and you know what I keep telling myself? I keep saying, it's okay. Thousands of people have done this who also had no idea, and they did it and they figured it out. You can figure it out. So that's my mantra. This is the worst pitch ever. I'm just excited to see all of you because so many of you mentioned Patreon that I even had the, courage to say, okay, I'm just going to go for it and see what happens. So we'll see what happens. But all of you are sort of on the front line here with me, and I can feel you cheering me on, and that really helps. So I'm cheering you on. And go look. I'm going to put the link down in the description section. One last thing. Tomorrow is my birthday. And I'm turning 60. Wow. Maybe I should do a whole nother YouTube video for that. I'm turning 60. I don't know. It feels like a big deal. It feels like a bigger deal than 50, but here I am. with all of you, and that feels great. So until next time, the most important thing is, let's keep stitching together.